Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset a Fisher and Paykel dishwasher in 2026. Now, if your dishwasher is frozen, showing the error codes or not starting properly, a quick reset is going to fix it all. So in order to basically fix it, first of all, you need to look at the top of your dishwasher. You are going to see these types of buttons on top of it. Now among these, you need to look for the power button. So here you just have to simply look for the power button, and when you are able to find it, simply turn it off. Now wait for 10 seconds and then you need to press the power button again in order to turn it back on. Now this soft reset clears most of the control panel issue, but if the dishwasher still isn't working correctly, you can also try another method in which you need to either use the start button, or if your dishwasher has the cancel button, you just have to select that. So simply press and hold the start or the cancel button for 5 seconds. You may hear a dishwasher drain water or reset the cycle. So once it stops, the dishwasher is reset and ready to use. Now, if your controls are still unresponsive, you can leave the dishwasher turned off for about 1 minute and then you can just simply turn it back on. This also refreshes the internal system. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.